Exploring the world starts with curiosity. MatataStudio Intelligent Microscope M1B, the first microscope to make curiosity visible. Let us enter the microscopic world under the microscope. Wireless app transmits images in real time and can connect to many platforms, making observation more precise. Turn the focus cylinder. Magnifies 1 times to 400 times, focuses quickly, with double light sources shining above and below. You can observe small real-world objects precisely. Turn the color adjustment knob to easily switch between 7 colors. No need for artificial dyes. Calibrate. Take photos. Take video. Take records and notes at any time. Microscope cylinder can be disassembled to be handheld or docked, making it perfect for any situation. Includes 10 basic biology sample specimens, so you can start exploring immediately. Let children see curiosity whenever and wherever.